All right, so here's a little before of these ratty ass faded handles, and I do gotta get this painted because I did not get this. I didn't get my damn tailgate one. I gotta do this next because this is gonna bother me. But just a little before and after. Let me look at them things, man. They look like fucking shit. Yeah, that's gotta go. That's got to fucking go. So putting these on, I'll walk through step to step. Obviously the back door's got a smaller panel. I gotta take the whole panel off, take the plastic off. We're gonna pop this guy out, and then I'll film some more shit when we get in here of what we're gonna do in there to get the old handle out and get the new one in. And the only thing is this one right here. Just gotta switch over the key tumbler. That's about it. Everything else I ordered, no holes obviously, so. All right, so basically you got, pop this guy off right here. It's got 2 tabs. Then there is 1 hole, 2 hole. There's a 3rd hole down there. They're all 7mm bolts. You unbolt them. 1 down here, then 2 in the middle, here, here. And then do not pull on these because they sit in here like this. So all you do is just, I didn't film it, but you just take the door handle, or the whole, I'm sorry, the whole panel, lift up. As you lock this, lift up, slide off. There it goes. So you got that. Then I peel this back. There's a grommet right here. Take this out. There's a bolt in there. I think it's a 10mm. I don't know. Don't hold me on that. But if you get in on this action, this is what we're gonna be messing with. It's kind of hard to see that green latch. We're gonna take that off, unbolt the handle. Here's the new handle right here. So it's already got new hardware. That'll go right into where that green latch is. And then this is upside down, but you get my point. So, all right, so my fault. So these 2 bolts are 11mm. I said 10. So you got 1 right there, and then you got 1 through there. So once you take them out, then this thing just pops out like so. And then if you look down there, there's that little green tab. So the green tab, which is holding that in, all we got to do is boom, just like that. If you saw that on camera, take your flathead in there, and you just move it like that, and it unsnaps. And then the door handle should come out just like so. And there you have it. So that's how the door handle comes out. Now, I don't know about this shit hanging. I guess we're gonna stick that back on and leave it there for the new one. But to do a new one, we're just reversing the process. And I'll film some more of that, but we're gonna stick this guy in here. That tab, as you can see, it just closes. So, like I said, all I did was take my screwdriver like this, and I went like that, and it unsnapped. So pretty cut and dry install, but here's your last before that faded handle. Looks like shit. All right, so just like that, back door handle is done. Put the panel back on, reverse the process. 1 bolt down there, 2 bolts up there. Snap this bad boy into place. Make sure it locks, all that fancy shit. Put your grommet back in. And yeah, that's it. Looking way better already. And this piece of shit right here. Whew. All right, so for this driver door panel, you got a little bit more. You got this guy you just pop off. This guy pops off, 2 plugs. They're the same, or they're 2 different plugs, so you can't mix them up. This guy, 3 plugs, they're all different. Can't mix them up. Just pop them off, all 3 of them. Same thing. Door panel, there's 2 screws down here. There's another little tab in the middle that you pop off, which is, I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere around here, but you pop that off. 2 screw holes behind here. Same process, lift it up. So now in here it's a little different since you have the key tumbler. So this thing right here, this little bar on my finger is for your lock. So it goes into, I don't know if you can see, but this black tab right here, and it pinches on it. So you kind of take a flathead and lift up and lift down, and then it slides out. So for the handle itself, then we're gonna reverse the process. There's two 11 millimeters. Take that out, both of them, and then once we get in there, I'll show you what we do again. So it's along the same lines, but a little more excessive. Just throw it back in here, leave it everything in back, just so keep everything all organized. All right, so once the door handle, put her back in, reverse the process of taking it out. For the driver's side, make sure you switch the tumbler over. That's pretty cut and dry. I'll show how to do that. And then you got two bolt holes here, two bolt holes down here. Then all this shit, it's just, every connector is different, so it goes where it goes. There's tabs, just pull on them, put them in. Same with the adjustable mirror switch, same thing. And then throw that back in, pop everything in, and tighten everything down. All right, guys, so both sides of the truck has the color match door handles on. Just when it starts fucking raining, go on to this side. Got these done over here, looking mighty fine. So much better. So much better with the color match compared to the faded black ones that were on here. So yeah, I didn't film this side because it's the same as that side, but it's just flipped opposite. So just follow the same steps, obviously. So yeah, and it's actually a little easier because there's not the mirror buttons over here and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it for today's install.